welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a really quick video and I'm going to show you how to make your own logoed tissue paper. This is more so geared toward, small business owners who want to, when you're presenting your product or wrapping your product, gift wrapping your product, you want it to be a little bit more special, not so plain. And yeah, so what you will need is a piece of cardstock, a piece of tissue paper. I got this pack at Dollar Tree for $1, and it comes with 35 sheets, and it has multiple colors, so you can choose whatever color you want. You're gonna need some scissors and some tape. Sorry, my neighbors are making noise. So I think I'm going to use white. So I'm going to take a sheet and put the rest to the side. I'm going to have to readjust the camera so that you guys are able to see exactly what I'm doing. I will first insert the clip of me on my computer making the design of how I'm going to be printing the logo out. And then after, we'll get back and I'll show you how to prepare the paper to print it. So we are starting here in Microsoft Word. For starters, you need to have your logo, on your computer, saved to your computer. So in order to put it in this document, we're going to go to Insert. You're going to click on Pictures. And then you're going to select your logo from whatever file you have it in. So here is the logo that I'm using. As you know, my brand is Kingdom Air, so I have the K with the crown. You want to resize it, of course, because the one as it originally popped up, it took up like the whole page. So you want to resize it to whatever size you'd like. You can do them big, you can do them small, you can have 5, 10, 20, 100 on the page if you like. So just figure out what size you like, what looks best to you. And then I just copied and pasted as many as would fit on that first line. It doesn't show the little menus that pop up, but you can use your Control-C and Control-V if you'd like. Also for the second line, because I didn't want it just, in a straight line, I hit the Tab key to make it start a little bit further over. And so once I finished that, I copied everything and then I pasted it. So I just did as many times as I could to fit the entire page. What I did not do was adjust the borders so that this would go all the way over to the ends, top and bottom, and the sides left and right. So you may want to do that so that you get a better fit, so that your entire sheet of tissue paper can be covered. Also, feel free to use legal size, which is 8.5 by 14. I just use the standard size 8.5 by 11 here. But for now, this is what it looks like. That's all that would fit on that single page. And then we're just going to get ready and print it. Okay, so we are going to cut out our tissue paper. We're just going to leave it a little bit larger than the sheet of paper that we're using. I want to place it like this so we don't have to cut this side or this side. And then I'm just going to kind of try to cut it the same size on the other side. I don't know if that makes sense. Same size, same amount of space from the paper. Now this does not have to be perfect. Not at this point anyway. So we're going to take our tape and we are just going to take this down onto the cardstock. Looks like a sheet of paper. So it is important to know which side your printer prints on, because this is the side we taped up, and you want to make sure you're not printing on that side. You want to be printing on the side that is your tissue paper. So now I'm going to go and print out our design. Okay, so our design has printed. And here it is. This is what it looks like. Now, I did not adjust my borders, so that's something you might want to do, just to get it to go all the way over. I feel like that gives it a better look. Plus, I didn't have enough space to go at the bottom for one more row. But you know, it's completely up to you. Now, one other material that I didn't mention was a paper cutter. I don't want to say it's not necessary, but it's kind of necessary if you want straight edges. So you could just cut it like this and cut the paper, and then you don't have to remove the tape. I say a lot, but anyway, you could just cut it straight through the cardstock, and then you won't have to remove the tape, because the tissue paper is very thin, so I don't know how well it would cut through that. So I'm just going to cut the cardstock. So this is what's left, and then I can lift it up. And then you have your designer tissue paper with whatever logo you have or you choose to use. So here we have our logo tissue paper. If you have, like, say, little jewelry or something like that, you can use this to wrap each item. I think that would be cute. Or just, however you choose to use it. But I think this is like a good idea and good marketing. So let me know in the comments if you like it, and if you have any questions or just comments, leave them down below. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.
and subscribe, hit that button.